We're looking at Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout. And this is a very popular stout, and for good reason. It's a very high quality stout. It's a product of England, although I believe these are imported to, looks like, Washington. Anyway, pretty damn classy bottle. Comes in at 5% ABV. You got the foil on top. You know, it kind of stands out on the shelves. The only other company that I know of that does foil, off the top of my head anyway, is Avery. And the Avery beers are very much like, they stand out on the shelves because of that foil. But Samuel Smith's, I've had very good experience in the past with them. They have a delicious organic chocolate stout, which I really like. But I am a fan of this oatmeal stout. So it says product of England. It's imported into Washington State. It says Samuel Smith's Old Brewery Tadcaster Oatmeal Stout. So let's break into it, see what it smells like, and of course taste it. So it's coming in at 5% ABV. Let's get this poured out. Nice dark brown color. Nice darker kind of khaki tan head. Smells great. It really does smell good. It honestly reminds me a little bit of Guinness with the addition of that oatmeal. You know, just kind of it smells like oats mixed in with, you know, a little bit of Guinness. I don't know why, it just kind of stands out like that. Really, really good though. So damn good that I stuck my nose in it. Alright, let's give it a taste. That's good stuff. There's chocolate notes on this. You do taste the oats, which is nice. I happen to be a fan of oatmeal, like in general. I like that flavor. So oatmeal stouts, you know, I am a little partial to them. I do like them. This one's very creamy. The one thing is I wish the mouthfeel was a little bit thicker. It tends to come off as watery to me. It's a very thin mouthfeel. But the flavor's spot on. It's really, really good. There's a plethora of oatmeal stouts that I like. I don't know if I would say this is like my ultimate favorite oatmeal stout, but it's definitely up there on the list. If you like that style of beer, it's certainly one you have to try. You know, it's on the must-try list. There's a lot of malt flavor in this. A little bit of bitterness, but not too much. It's not overpowering in my opinion. It's a very good, you know, sipper beer, like a lot of different stouts. At 5% ABV, of course, you could have a couple of these. It's not going to, you know, knock you over. But for me, I tend to have oatmeal stouts as a dessert beer, not a like a session beer or something I'm going to have multiple bottles of. You know, for me, this is something where I'll just open one bottle and just kind of sip on it a little bit at a time. It's not necessarily refreshing. It's just, it's sweet. It's delicious. It has a great flavor overall. It's just a really solid oatmeal stout. I'm a big fan of this one. So, of course, I recommend it. So, that's all. I'm not going to be drinking this too fast. I'm going to sip on it a little bit. And, this will probably be my last review for the night. But just a really, really solid beer. I'm a big fan of it. I do recommend it if you like that style of beer, oatmeal stouts. It's up there on the list of best oatmeal stouts in my opinion. So that's all. That's my review of Samuel Smith's Oatmeal Stout. Definitely worth checking out, you know. Just really, really good stuff. So that's all. Pretty straightforward. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I will see you soon. Take care.